beaut. It's a beaut. Hey Jared, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
So why are you here?
Well, I heard you have a model of a hydrogen car. I've been researching a little bit.
Yeah, you want to come check it out? It's right
Yeah, where
upstairs.
is it? All right, let's go.
I'm pretty pumped to see this.
Oh, I know, that's pretty cool. So Jared, as you can see, this is a hydrogen car. And hydrogen is made in the back part of the car, and water is decomposed here by running an electric current through the back part of the car. Now, you will see bubbles run through the collection tanks and displace the water. This process occurs in the fuel cell, as well as the creation of the actual electric current. Now, this process is called electrolysis, and it's pretty cool. The chemistry behind electrolysis is quite complicated, but it is simply the separation of hydrogen and oxygen in water. The hydrogen is force-fed electrons by an electrical current. This is illustrated here. The battery is hooked up to these wires, and the electric runs through the water and back up the wire. The oxygen will have electrons stripped by the battery. Electrons flow from the negative side of the battery to the positive. The negative side attracts the positive hydrogen, and electrons are added to the hydrogen. This creates hydrogen gas, which is up here. On the positive side, the oxygen is forcefully stripped of its electrons, forming oxygen gas. The gas collector tanks are filled with these gases. There are 2 times as much hydrogen than oxygen because water is composed of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen, hence the name H2O. This is the process of electrolysis. Okay, now it's time to actually see hydrogen being made. Now here we have the gas collector tanks, 1 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, and if we plug our electric current into it, just like this, you actually be able to see the tanks filling up. So just a minute, plugging it in. There we go, and gas is slowly being formed, and it's coming up the tubes, and it is forming. This is where we get the hydrogen and oxygen gas to power the hydrogen-powered car.
Now we can see what you just told Jared in action. So let me plug it in. I learned a lot today. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, man, my pleasure. You guys know your info. Very impressive.
We know our stuff, man. Alright, well, dude, I guess we'll see you.
See you guys. See you, Jared.
Have a good night.
Hey, good. Bye.
Yeah.
Now let's go play with the hydrogen car.